Okay, I need to talk about this right now because YouTube just dropped something that's going to make a lot of you pretty furious. They just doubled the monetization requirements, not adjusted, not tweaked it, they doubled it. If you're one of the thousands of people out there right now grinding away, uploading, trying to hit the first monetization milestone, I need you to stop what you're doing and watch this because the goalpost just moved and not a little. They're on a totally different playing field now. Um, so here it is. No sugarcoating it. Right now, 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours in 365 days or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. And that's the bar. That's what you've been working towards. Starting February 1st, 2027, 1,000 subscribers remains the same, plus 8,000 watch hours or 20 million shorts views. Say that number back to yourself, 8,000 hours, 20 million views. Both numbers just doubled overnight. A quick clarity so nobody panics for the wrong reason. If you're already monetized, that doesn't touch you. And the earlier fan funding tiers of 500 subs and I think it was 3,000 hours or 3 million views, that's untouched too for now. This is specifically aimed at anyone still working towards that first YPP milestone, which, if you're in that group, is exactly why this one really stings. The new rule kicks in February 1st, 2027. So, right now, today, you've got roughly 6 months left on the old numbers. And I'm not going to tell you to panic. I'm going to tell you to move. 6 months sounded like plenty of time yesterday. Today, it's a countdown clock. If you're already monetized, all you do is click accept on the new terms in Studio and you're done. Nothing changes for you. This entire video is for the people still climbing and trying to get monetized. And I want to be honest, I feel this is just, it's a slap in the face. It's a shock to change the rules midterm like that. So why this probably happened and why it still doesn't sit right. YouTube official reason, the platform's growing. 200 billion daily shorts and a billion plus daily watch hours on TV screens. They're saying they need to keep pace with it, basically. That's fine. I get the business logic, protect ad inventory, protect existing creators, manage the flood of new content. I understand why a company makes this call, but here's my honest take. And I'm not going to pretend otherwise. Changing the requirements on people who are already mid grind, already months or years in the building for the payoff, it absolutely sucks. This isn't a rule set for people just starting today. This is a rule that reaches back and makes everyone currently working towards monetization run twice as far with no warning, no phase in for people already in the progress, just new number, 6 months, good luck. So if you've been putting in the hours for a year building towards 4,000 and now the finish line just got moved to 8,000, I don't think it's dramatic to say that that's a gut punch. You don't you didn't sign up for this. You signed up for the old program. So let's talk about what you actually do with this because sitting here mad about it doesn't get you monetized. If you're already monetized, again, none of this touches you. Skip ahead if you want, that's fine. If you're actively working towards the YouTube partner program, the math changed and you need to feel the weight of that. If you are on pace to hit 4,000 hours in 8 months, that same pace now takes you close to 16 months under the new rules. So that's not a small shift. That's the difference between getting monetized this year and monetizing sometime in 2028. And here's the part I actually want you to hear. The next 6 months are no longer just progress. They're the deadline. If there is any way to accelerate, post more consistently, fix your retention, push harder on the content that's already working, the next 6 months is when that effort has to double the payoff because it's your last shot at the old numbers. And I'm not going to pretend this is fair. It's not. But it is what it is. And burning energy, being angry instead of moving isn't going to get you monetized before February. So here's exactly what I want you to do today, not next week. Go check your current watch hours right now. YouTube Studio, Analytics, watch time. Know your real numbers. If you're within striking distance of 4,000 hours, this is your green light to go hard right now while the door is still open uh, under the old numbers. If you're just starting or you're far off, I'm not going to lie to you and say it's going to be easy. It's going to take some real consistency over the next 6 months. And even then, you may be building under the new rule instead of the old one. Plan for that reality instead of just hoping for it. So, if there was ever a time to improve your videos and increase your watch hours, now's the time. This is exactly the kind of shift the roadmap series that I'm currently in the middle of exists for. The fundamentals, consistency, retention, real content, change. But when YouTube moves a target like this, having a real plan instead of just hoping it matters more than ever right now. So to recap it, if you're already monetized, you're fine. Working towards it, the bar just doubled. And you've got about 6 months on the current terms before February 1st. And I mean, good luck. Want everybody to get there. And I'll say it plainly one more time, changing the rules mid game on people who already are grinding towards a goal is a rough move. And I think a lot of you are going to feel exactly like I do about it. But knowing about it today instead of finding out in February is the only edge that we've got right now. So let's use it. I'll link to the YouTube official blog post in the comments or in the description area. Read it for yourself. If this hits home, please subscribe. Tell me in the comments where you're at with your watch hours right now. I want to know how many of you this actually affects. So all I can say is let's go and let's keep creating, folks. I'll see you again soon. Thanks.